Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Miss Moses' Magical Math Story Theater. So we are going to be playing a little game with some friends of mine of hide and seek in the woods. But first, to get started, I need you all to close your eyes. No peeking. No peeking. So you can see that some of our friends are now playing hide and seek in the woods. Then come along some more of bears. I want you to stop and think how many bears are playing in the woods now. Awesome. I see I have 5, 6, 7. I have 7 bears total. So the total in our number bond is going to be 7. Okay, now we need to find our parts. Stop and think how many bears were playing first. Remember, that was our blue bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So my part can be 5. Now, how many, look at that. Good job. Now, how many friends came along afterwards? Remember, that was our red bears. 1, 2. So we're going to write a 2 here for our red bears. Perfect. So we can see that we had 5 blue bears playing first. 2 red bears came along to play afterwards, and we have 7 bears total. So now that we have a number bond, we can write number sentences to match that number bond. What numbers are we going to use to complete our number sentence over here? Well, remember, part, total. Part, total. Our 2 parts come together to equal our total. So we can add 5 plus 2 to equal our total. Just like that. So that means we're going to take 5 and put it here. Plus 2 right here. Equals our total, which is 7. So remember, we have our 5 blue bears plus our 2 red bears equals 7. One of the strategies that you can use to solve math stories is to make it into a play or story or movie in your mind. It makes it so much easier to understand what is happening. So you can see here that our numbers represent our bears. 5 blue bears plus 2 red bears equals 7 bears total. Now, how are we going to write another number sentence for this same number bond? Let's take a look at our bears together. What happens when our bears switch places? How many bears do we have now? Yep, you've got it. We still have 7 bears. It doesn't matter what order our parts are in. The total is going to stay the same. So another way to write this number sentence is to flip the parts. So that means that 2 plus 5 equals 7 too. Look at that. Let's read our number sentences together. 5 plus 2 equals 7.